Let's fix things.
I'm willing.
I'm glad. It makes me so happy.
Ya sibuyelene-ke kanjalo. Ngingasho ukuthi unaso isineke sokuncenga. Uyakwazi, uyazi la kumele ngithinte khona ukuze ngehlise umoya.
I want us to fix things, not just us, but ngifisa ukubona sonke sibuyele la sesikhona ekuqaleni. Indlela esiqale ngakhona, where there's peace, there's laughter, there's love, there's respect. Abantu babantu bese. And as such, bawenza amaphutha, ngenzela amaphutha. Trace wenzela amaphutha. Wena wenza amaphutha lingana nathi sonke.